So I personally have a very aggressive gold strategy, and it's not something I recommend for anybody. Now, one thing I would like people to remember when they're investing in gold is that it's a multi-decade investment. It's just like buying a house. You don't buy a house thinking you're going to be rich 2 years later, or at least that's the normal theory. In the Australian market, it's a bit different. But gold's a multi-decade investment. Now, the whole idea of gold is that it's a long-term wealth protection model. It's a way to, take your cash out of the financial system and ensure that your money isn't being eroded by government policies and inflation. And that's very important. So the returns you're going to see on gold aren't immediate. It's basically just, securing your money for future you and what your retirement might look like. Or also too, it's intergenerational wealth. You can pass it down to your children or your grandchildren. And that's what the power of gold is. Actually, that's one of the things with gold that people don't realize is gold protects your purchasing power. So just as an example, you talked about buying a suit then, back in the 1930s, an ounce of gold was the equivalent of a good suit. The last suit I bought was actually in 2008, and it cost the same of an ounce of gold back then. So, and I suspect if I was to buy a suit of equal quality, I would still need to spend an ounce of gold on that. And that's a really good analysis there, is that gold protects your purchasing power. So no matter what the government comes in and does and erodes your wealth with, central banking policies, gold will protect what you can buy with your wealth, essentially.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video updates. Plus, right now, you can get a free guide to investing in gold. It's called The Best Way to Buy, Sell and Store Gold in Australia. You'll learn how to decide on what type of gold to buy, which Australian gold dealers to trust, whether you should buy bullion or ETFs, and the best and cheapest way to store your gold. All you need to do to get your copy is to click the link in the description below or go to thedailyreckoning.com.au/gold.